Ooh, whoa, wow, he did everything. That looks great. Welcome back. So today we're going to be going over the final reveal of the kitchen. This was a bit of a process, but I really enjoyed it and I love how it came out. So I hope you guys too, and I'm excited to walk you through the final reveal. So come along. When starting to think about the renovation process of the kitchen, the first thing that I was thinking about was the layout, how I wanted it structured, and just kind of maximizing the space for function and storage and everything like that. So we went through the layout. We've templated the island and the back wall. So it's gonna be pantry, large pantry here, and lower drawers, upper shelves, 36-inch oven, shelving again, and then lower cabinets here. So there's gonna be a hutch over here with like your coffee bar and appliances, a smaller fridge than this, another large pantry, and then we'll be shelving on here. It'll be a bit shallow. This is a chimney, so there's not much storage, but I think that'll look good. And then we'll have bar stools. I love the idea of having the range centered with the sink, and then this looks out into the backyard garden, so it has really beautiful light. So I loved kind of doing the dishes and seeing what's going on in the yard and the porch. So that was part of the thought process for this. And then just the different pantries, having all of this storage here, and then I love the open shelving on the top. Back at Woodbury, checking out the progress. If I can open the door. Let's see what progress has been made. I think some of the cabinets should be in the kitchen, so that's exciting. Ooh, whoa, wow, he did everything. That looks great. Interesting. That looks really cool. Happy about that. That looks amazing. That looks super good. I'm really happy with that. That looks amazing. It looks so good. He just installed these cabinets. I think they look amazing. Super happy with them. And then this nice hood box that we created for, you know, a decorative element. Okay, so I printed out these images from Pinterest and I'm kind of lay out the cabinet layout. So what I'm thinking is having a pantry like that, and it'll cover these pipes, and then having 36-inch oven with drawers on either side. And then we're going to head into this sort of hutch type of a thing. There's the window, and then on either side of the hood, I think I'm gonna do some sort of shelving like that, or like that. They're kind of similar. I think that should be interesting. And then I love these drawers. We did the double pull on these drawers. I think it looks really beautiful. And the soft closed drawers. We had an incredible cabinet guy, local to Woodbury, who's been crafting cabinetry all of his life. He did an incredible job, really used beautiful wood and the soft close, all handmade, hand fabricated. You can see the trim and the molding detail. In this older home, you know, some of the ceiling and the floor sometimes aren't exactly straight, so he was able to kind of use the molding to kind of smooth out those details. And then over here we have the beautiful double fridge built in, a lot of space, and then the freezers on the bottom, something like that perhaps. And then some sort of a shelving system, or these plates are kind of cool, which would be over here because we have this chimney, so there's not a lot of depth, but I want to kind of use this space a little bit, so we'll have some storage. And then here we had the shelves, the double shelves, and behind this is, I believe, the chimney. So we only had a very shallow space, so we really utilized it very well, having this thin little cabinet on the bottom, then just the decorative element on the top. And then over here, what we have is the little coffee bar nook, which I love, kind of the appliance garage, just putting everything away so you don't have to see it. And then coming back over here, as I mentioned, the open shelving is just really beautiful. as well as this gorgeous Aga range. I am absolutely in love with it. So beautiful, all the little details. I love the little knobs. It's just beautiful inside. And I really love kind of how it cooks, and I really love it. It's beautiful. We did the white enamel. And then one of the most important features of the kitchen is this gorgeous marble that's actually sourced from Vermont. And I went to like a ton of marble yards trying to find the perfect marble for the space, something with a little bit of veining. This is actually a honed marble. It is delicate, so you do need to be careful, but I think it's worth it, and I don't mind if some of the wear of the kitchen is shown on it. It just shows the love that was made in the kitchen, so I'm good with that. And then here we have the Brizzo faucet, double faucet with the sprayer, really beautiful. I love this color. And then we matched all of the hardware as well. All around is also Brizzo. Next, the sink. On the left is the garbage, the pull-out garbage, and then on the right is the dishwasher. We chose to do the marble along the backsplash as well. Oh, and then these lights just above the island, kind of framing the range, just kind of making everything symmetrical. That looks really beautiful. And I think it's really, really beautiful, really functional, really amazing kitchen to cook in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kitchen tour, and I look forward to sharing more with you in the future. Stay tuned for more.